Ever get that feeling, like right at the end of the month when you're trying to wrangle all your finances?
Oh, yeah.
It's like you're juggling like a dozen different things at once.
Yeah.
Logging in, logging out of all your different accounts, maybe even wrestling with a spreadsheet or two.
It's a pain.
Yeah, it's definitely a hassle. I think a lot of our listeners out there probably know exactly what we're talking about.
For sure. And that actually leads right into what we're going to be looking at today.
Okay.
We are taking a deep dive into an ad, actually, a promotional video for an app. Have you heard of DeepPocket Pro?
DeepPocket Pro rings a bell.
Yeah, it's from this YouTube channel called Teak Solve.
Okay.
And what we're trying to do today is figure out what exactly they're offering
Okay.
based on, just this advertisement transcript,
So
right?
that's the ad. Got it. So right off the bat, what is like the big problem? What are they trying to solve for us?
Well, the thing is, right, you know how much time you end up spending just like keeping track of your money and all the mistakes you could make, right? They really hone in on that, especially when it comes to that end of the month scramble, spreadsheets, different bank accounts, just trying to get a clear picture of where you stand.
Yeah, it can definitely take a lot of time. So what's their solution to this whole mess?
Well, the big thing they're pushing is bringing all your accounts together
Okay.
in one place. So you don't have to go jumping around between different apps and websites all the time.
Okay, so instead of like 5 different logins, it's all just right there in the app.
Exactly. One app, one view, everything you need.
Makes sense. So then what do they say is like the main benefit of having everything together like that?
Okay, so imagine this. You click once, and boom, you see all your savings for the month.
Oh, wow.
No more running numbers yourself across different accounts. No more worrying about, like, little math errors, right?
So it's like an instant snapshot of your savings, no calculations needed.
Exactly. Super simple, right?
Okay, that's pretty appealing, I have to admit. But is that all they say it can do?
Oh, no, there's more. They also talk about how it can help you find those, sneaky little expenses, the ones that maybe you didn't even realize were eating into your budget.
Ah, those are the worst.
Yeah, but when you can see all your transactions in one place, it's much easier to spot those patterns.
Oh, that makes sense, yeah. So it's like a super detailed spending report, but without having to like manually put it together,
Oh,
right?
right.
Now, I do remember that they also talked about helping you like grow your savings, right?
Yeah, they definitely touched on that, like how to make sure your money isn't just sitting there doing nothing.
Idle money, they called it.
Yeah, and they made it sound like the app could give you tips on how to invest it better or get better returns.
Okay, so this is sounding less like a simple budgeting app and more like a whole financial advisor type thing.
It's giving that vibe, for sure.
So who exactly are they saying will benefit from this app?
Well, they specifically called out, like business owners, investors, and then just like regular folks managing their personal finances.
Yeah. Okay, so it sounds like they're going for a pretty wide audience.
Yeah, anyone who's, actively trying to manage their money.
Got it. So then after watching this ad, what do they want you, the viewer, to actually do?
Well, the big call to action is simple, right? Download DeepPocket Pro. Take control of your finances. It's time, like they say, to make every rupee count.
Make every rupee count. That's catchy. So I guess at its core, this DeepPocket Pro app is really promising to make managing your money a lot easier.
Exactly.
You get that big picture view of your finances all in one place, and they're saying it can help you find ways to save more too.
That's the gist of it, yeah. I mean, they're really playing to that desire to simplify things, right? Who wants to spend hours poring over spreadsheets and bank statements?
Exactly. So, okay, if it really can do all that, it seems like a no-brainer.
Well, maybe. But it does make you think, right? Like when you're talking about trusting an app with all your financial information, what else should you be considering?
Yeah. Is it really as simple as they make it sound?
Exactly. That's something for all our listeners to ponder, I think.